Good morning, student. Welcome to Vishnu One e-learning app. Now, here's the index of your copy. You have to fill the index like this: Chapter 1, serial number 1, that date, Chapter 1. Okay. Now, yesterday we start Chapter 2, Lesson 2, Fraction. Okay. Now, in yesterday topic, we studied three definitions, type of fractions. Now we continue the same. Fourth type, class 7th, lesson 2, fraction. Fourth type is your equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction. Now, what is equivalent fraction? See the definition, or you can write along with me. A given fraction and various fraction obtained by multiplying or dividing its numerator and denominator by the same non-zero number are called equivalent fraction. Now, see the example. Suppose, for example, suppose we assume a fraction 3 by 5. This is your fraction 3 by 5. Now we have to find its equivalent fraction. So to find the equivalent fraction of 3 upon 5, we multiplying the denominator and numerator and the denominator by the non-zero number, by the same non-zero number. Means if you multiplying the numerator by 2, so you have to multiplying the denominator by also 2, like this. 3 upon 5 multiplying by 2. So by multiplying it by 2, you get a new fraction, and that is 6 by 10. Now multiplying 3 by 5 by 3. So 3 3 is a 9, 3 5 is a 15. Again 3 upon 5 is multiplying by 4, you get 12 upon 20. So 6 by 10, 9 by 15 and 12 by 20. These all are equivalent fraction of 3 by 5. Why this 3 by 5? Because if you find the lowest term of this all equivalent fraction, you get the smallest fraction. The simplest form of this fraction is equal to 3 by 5. So we call these all are the equivalent fraction of 3 by 5. Now fifth part is like fraction. Like fraction. A fractions having the same denominators, having the same denominators are called like fraction. See example, 1 by 15, 2 by 15, 9 by 15, 11 by 15. In all these fractions you have seen that the denominators are equal. So when the when a group of fractions are given and their denominators are equal, that group are called the like fraction group. Now sixth one is like fraction. A fraction having do not have same denominators are called unlike fraction. Okay, example, 2 by 7, 3 by 8, 5 by 9 are all unlike fraction. Take the screenshot. Now next part is conversion of improper fraction into mixed fraction. Suppose we take 18/3. Now you have to convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. How you convert improper fraction into mixed fraction? So for this you have to do divide 18 by 3, or you take here 20, divide 20 by 3. So now 6 3s are 3 6 are 18. 20 minus 18 is how much? 2 left. Now whatever the remainder is here, how much the remainder is here? Remainder is 2. We write here 2 upon divisor is 3, right here 3, and the quotient part is here in the middle one. So 6 whole 2 upon 3. This is the mixed form of 20 by 3. Clear? Now see one more question. 17 by 5. Divide 17 by 5. 5 3s are 15, minus we get 2. So 2 upon 5, 3 is here. So 3 whole 2 upon 5 is your answer. Clear? Next is your conversion of unlike fraction into like fraction. Example, 3 by 5, 4 by 3, 7 by 15, and 11 by 20. Now these all are These are unlike fractions. You have to convert this unlike fraction into like fraction. Means you have to make the denominators of this fraction equal. Okay, so how you do this? First of all, take the LCM of all the denominators 5, 3, 15, 20. Now like this, take the LCM 5, 3, 15, 20. Take the smallest factor 2. In the table of 2, 5 not come, so write down 5 as it is 3, 15 as it is. Now in the table of 2, 20 comes 10 times, write down here 10. Again take 2, 5 as it is, 3 as it is, 15 as it is, take 5 here. Now next smallest number factor will be 3, ones 5, 5. Now take 5. Okay, so your LCM will be 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So 4 3 12, 12 5 is 60. Your LCM will be 60. Now your first fraction is here 3 by 5. Right here 3 by 5. Now here the LCM is 60. You have to make its denominator, this 5, equal to 60. How you do this? By multiplying 5 by 12. So by same number you have to multiplying its denominator also. So 12 3s are 36. Second number is yours is 4 by 3. Again you have to make 3 what 60 by multiplying 20, it's become 80. Next one is yours 7 by 15. 15 fours are 60, so again 28. And the last one is 11 by 20. 33. Now your number will be 36 upon 60, 80 upon 60, 28 upon 60 and 33 upon 60. Now if you see, you will observe that the denominators are equal to 60. So this is your like fraction. Clear all of you? Okay. Now your homework is convert 5 by 3, 11 by 4, 12 by 18 and 7 by 6 into like fraction. You have to do this in your rough copy, not in your fair copy. Okay, thank you class for watching this video, or you can take the screenshot for this also. Okay, thank you.